Alaikum and good morning. I woke up last night dehydrated, dire straits, I'm talking dire straits, and the only thing I had was a Tuborg special strong beer that was actually cracked, so it was flat. I've saved a little bit to keep me going. Editing's out the window, and I've decided today is a perfect day to make Mardin walking wonders. I know a lot of people are going to be clicking on this video thinking it's going to be an architectural, visual masterpiece, and they get me finishing a Tuborg to start with. I'm sorry about that, it's real life. Phone is charged. Shower time. If you can call it a shower. This water is very hot. And the only thing I have to clean with is Aqua Sensation from Nivea. It's like a 3-stage. Oh, shit hell, it's too hot. I am so grateful I have hot water. I've been in places where I've not had a toilet or hot water. Ooh, so this is an absolute luxury for me. Tell you what, it doesn't feel too bad. Doesn't feel too bad, no at all. Don't worry, we'll get to the architecture soon. Stop complaining. Skip if you want to. But I am the only vlogger that will bring you everything uncensored. Well, to a degree. Feels so good. And show you how it actually is. Gotta do that for the angle. Sorry, but there's some things that have to be censored. And also, I don't think the camera can fit everything in the shot. Liam, do you not feel shame drinking at this time in a Muslim country? A little bit, I'm not gonna lie, a little bit. It's quite cold outside down on the Syrian border, so you'll see me wrapping up. How's that look? Oh. £4. Smells good. No, I'm not gonna. It's gone in my eyes now. So teamed up with my host, we're going for breakfast. It's a bit of a change of plan. You might not get the scenery and the epic shots I had all in mind for you, and all the research I'd done to talk about the architecture. You might not get that because we're going for breakfast. Hello. I tell you what, Mardin is the best, maybe the best place I've ever been to, like architecturally. I don't know, every corner there's like a cabin, there's beautiful bars, it's all. Oh, we're going for a special route. I've told them I want toast with fat cheese. I haven't told them about my liquid lunch that I'll be having straight after. But everywhere you go, like what I was saying before, everywhere you go, it's just amazing. You've got tremendous views up in the clouds, and there's just little pathways off to nowhere, and you can get lost for days here. I think I might extend my booking. Just all like this, it's amazing, I love it. But I'm not going to lie, I'm running out of steam. That 2 burgers wearing off. That's what I mean. Everywhere you go, there's like a little cut off, a tunnel, somewhere to explore. I've saw them around a lot. They do look good. I'm going to try them today. You will see me eat them and you'll find out my verdict. I think we're going to the Carpenter's cafe where I've been a lot. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a vitamin bar. Not the kind of bar I need right now, which sounds bad at 9:30 AM, but it's a bar nonetheless. He's an artist and he has a studio just around the corner. I will show you later, but this is the Carpenter's Cafe. This is where I spend most of my days slurping coffee, which is good, fruit smoothies, and I'll get some toast. Have a look at this place inside, man. Hello. Now I like to sit here because of the Wi-Fi router, but check these views out. Bit cloudy, bit foggy, but on a clear day, it's unbelievable. Oh, absolutely unbelievable. Okay, let's sit down and order. These guys know how to make coffee. Can I have a coffee, toast, and a fruit? Okay. Fruit, coffee with milk. Yeah, please. Passion fruit, because I'm full of passion. And
coffee and milk?
Yes, that's the one. And toast. I have 2 of them a day to keep me vitamined up. You need the B vitamins to stay strong, if you know what I mean. And this is the toast. Cheese, salami. Amazing. I mentioned this in an Instagram story. Whenever you go with a local or a scammer, they'll always order the best foods. Like I get the toast. Look what this guy's got. A nice platter for breakfast. He's offered to share it. He doesn't know I'm going to pay for it yet, either. But, you know, I'm a little bit jealous. Cheese. Out in Turkey, the food is so good and it's cheap. Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot. And the rooftop terrace. As a British man on a rooftop terrace, I think a lot of Brits could agree with me on this. There is nothing better to do than observe the views with a pint in your hand. Got my imaginary pint. What am I drinking, you may ask? What do you think? Is it a 2-bag extra strength? No. I am drinking a Brimstage Brewery Trapper's Hat. In the bottle, in fact, it's even nicer. Starting to run out of steam, if you know what I mean. If you don't know what Brimstage Brewery's Trapper's Hat is, and you're a drinker, you are an embarrassment. What have you been doing with your life? In all fairness, I only figured it out in December. But take a look around. In Britain, you would never be able to have this. Low walls, close to the edge. There would be a big safety net up. There'd be a sign, a sign. Be careful, be careful. But unfortunately, in Britain, we are a nation who needs to be educated on how to wash their hands during a pandemic. You know, there was a multi-million-pound advertisement campaign by the government teaching people to wash their hands. So, yeah, you just can't have stuff like this. You just could not have it in England. And I've just noticed there's a higher rooftop. Doesn't look like I'm allowed to go up. And this is my favourite cafe. And I am here for a while, so I do not want to get barred. But I've got half a bottle of Trapper's Hat here. And I really want to enjoy it. And the climb was just so worth it. Downed it in one. Unbelievable scenery. I'm going to pay up and try and find some place to hydrate myself, if you know what I mean.